This is what happens when Pete really wants to go outside. Yeah, me out? Yeah, you really want to go outside? Show me. Show me. Yeah, you want to go outside? Or if he wants to go outside, she's being very patient. But Peter, no, he wants to go outside. He wants to go outside now. Yes, doesn't he? Huh? Don't you? Huh? 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 Am I a mean mommy? Huh? Making you wait? Oh, look, it's outside. Look at the outside. Isn't that pretty? Yeah? And there it is, the outside, and he is so happy. I'm off to go pee in the bushes, Mom. See you later.